Hi friends, Delhi wants to attract industries which are pollution free. So this is an article published in Hindustan Times on 3rd of November year 20 in Hindustan Times, and it says no manufacturing units in new industrial areas, says the Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi. And as per the article, Delhi will be able to get rid of polluting industries within its industrial areas. That's the image and the statement by the Delhi Chief Minister. Now, let us get into the core of the article, and it says that if pollution in Delhi is reduced, it will boost the economy of Delhi. And how? It will boost economy by attracting firms that would have otherwise preferred the satellite towns of Noida and Gurgaon. So, because Delhi, like Beijing, is getting popular in terms of pollution, Delhi pollution. So, the service industries which employ high tech people, those who love lifestyle and earning more money, those which are MNCs, so they prefer to be in peaceful area, calm area, pollution free area, where they get amenities, where they get civic amenities, where they have wider roads, good roads, 24 by 7 electricity, water, good policing, law and order, good administrations. So such kind of industries prefer those places. And Delhi is the best place in all these respect except the pollution. So only thing that is negative in Delhi as of now is pollution. So we are going to get rid of that pollution, and Delhi Chief Minister says now it will be a U-turn. So now the such industries will prefer Delhi instead of Noida and Gurgaon. Now he is referring to his meeting with the Union Housing and Urban Affairs Minister, wherein he says the meeting was conducive, and he says the Delhi Master Plan 2021 lays down the development vision for the city, and as per the meeting, a notification has been issued which allows IT firms, media companies, knowledge parks, research and development centers, vocational training centers, and even educational institutes in new industrial areas. So the definition of industry has been changed, and firms like IT firms, media companies, and all those that I mentioned are now in the industrial definition. Now let's get to the other point, and he said that current manufacturing units in Delhi in the existing 29 industrial areas will continue to operate, but they will have the option to shift to high tech or service sector industries. So the current statement doesn't mean that the already existing industries will be kicked off. They will not be kicked out. They will continue to operate, but they will be given advantages, options, proposals, and they will be cajoled to adopt high tech pollution free options. So, nutshell, in the long term, Delhi is going to have pollution free industries. The new rule will be effective only for the new industrial areas, which as of now include a proposed multi-level industrial hub at Ranikheda, a knowledge park at Baprula, and a 920-acre integrated industrial township in northwest Delhi, Kanjhawla. This is a statement made by a senior government official. In all these three proposed industrial areas, it will house somewhere around 7,000 units. Now going to other points, like come to this point. He says in the coming days we hope that all these manufacturing industries will be shut down and more service industry will open in Delhi. So as I already mentioned, the existing industry in Delhi will not be kicked out. They will be cajoled, they will be motivated, they will be asked, they will be suggested to adopt new technologies in the current industrial setup or shift to those industries which are pollution free, but they no obstacle will be created in their current operations. So in the long term we are going to have industry in Delhi which is service oriented, which is pollution free, which is high tech, which involves intelligent professional people, as I already mentioned in my various videos if you have seen early. Even in my past videos, I have been encouraging that Delhi should adopt those kind of industries and policies which encourage professional people, so that Delhi will get rid of density, because current density in Delhi is very high, and those people are there in Delhi which hardly earns not more than 15-20,000. So we should have people who earn big chunk of money, just like any other good metros, so that quality people, quality pollution, quality pollution. Sorry, this is wrong to say. So quality air is there. So we get rid of pollution so that we have good quality air index. I wanted to mention quality people. So, going further in the article, the main economy of Delhi is service based. All the service based industries were earlier in the office category in Delhi, and could be could only be opened in commercial areas. The rates in commercial areas are very high, so the offices started preferring Gurgaon and Noida. But after this, many will come to Delhi again. So that was the article, man. So a good vision laid down by the current Chief Minister of Delhi, and as have been promoting such kind of videos earlier, even I am of the view that Delhi should have those kind of industries which are pollution free, which have high revenue, which have which are manpower based, which implies manpower which is of quality. So if we have Delhi like Singapore, which is a financial hub, if we make Delhi like Bombay, which is a financial hub, if we make Delhi like Bangalore, which is an IT hub, if we make Delhi like Gurgaon, which is an ITS BPO hub, if we make Delhi like, say, Coimbatore, which is a good hosiery based industry, wherein you don't have polluting industries, but we have people which make high quality garments, like in, if we see in Vietnam, Indonesia. So pollution free industries should be encouraged in Delhi. That's the objective of this article. So thanks a lot for watching this video.